Today we're going to build a simple Streamlit app that shows live stock prices using data from Yahoo Finance. As you can see here, this is what our final project will look like. You'll be able to type in any stock ticker, like Apple or Tesla, and see both a table of recent data and a nice price chart. It's a quick little project, but it's super useful if you're learning Streamlit or just want to visualize financial data easily. So let's build it together, step by step. Before we start coding, we need to make sure we have all the necessary Python libraries installed. We'll be using Streamlit to create the web app, yFinance to fetch real stock data, and Matplotlib to plot the price chart. I've already installed these on my computer, so I won't run the install command again, but make sure you've installed them before you continue. All right, let's get into the code. At the top of our script, we import the three libraries we'll be using: Streamlit, yFinance, and Matplotlib. Then we set a simple title for our web app, something like simple stock price chart. Next, we add a text input box where the user can type in a stock ticker symbol. For example, you can enter AAPL for Apple, TSLA for Tesla, or MSFT for Microsoft. Once you save the file and run the app, you'll see the title at the top and a clean little input box on the page. Now let's make that input actually do something. We want the app to fetch the stock data from Yahoo Finance whenever the user enters a ticker symbol. To do that, we check if the input box isn't empty, and if it's not, we download the data for the last month. If the data is available, we display a short message on the screen and show the table of recent prices. Then, below that, we plot a line chart of the closing prices from the last 30 days. Streamlit makes it really easy. It automatically displays the chart right inside the app. And that's it. Just like that, we have a fully working stock viewer in a few lines of Python. Let's run it and see what happens. First, I'll try MSFT for Microsoft. And there it is. The table appears showing the last few days of trading data, including the open, high, low, close, and volume. Right under that, we've got a smooth line chart showing the closing price trend for the past month. Now let's try TSLA for Tesla. Perfect. The app instantly updates the table and the chart with Tesla's recent stock performance. If you enjoyed this project, make sure to check out the other tutorials on the channel. I post lots of beginner-friendly coding projects like this. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments which project you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.